Hey,
Open my door though.
hey, go take your photo though. Gonna close that dodo hoe. It stink like a dodo though. Man, I give a fuck, I kick a dodo hoe. I don't give a fuck, I don't fuck with no dumbass hoe. Man, I do this shit, I ain't never been that nigga that smoke on Joe. Man, I smoke that loud pack, I keep that shit that smell it from the next door. I don't give a fuck, I ready for the next hoe. You just worry about the motherfucking what's that X hoe. No X-Men, no superpower, no damn friends. I do it by myself, I'm a lonely man. Man, a lone wolf, and y'all understand, cause I do this shit with a grand plan. Call me grandmaster, I do this shit. Yeah, I'm your master, yeah, poppy bitch. Yeah, call me daddy, yeah, I'm nasty with it. Y'all niggas don't really have ask me with it, man, I ass attack it. I don't give a fuck, cause you ask about it. Man, I don't care, cause I acrobatic. Man, I be doing this shit like I really don't know my language, I mean, know my vocab. Man, y'all niggas can go catch a cab, cause y'all all ass. Y'all can't even catch a motherfucking Uber, cause y'all ain't with the shit. Y'all ain't really got your money, y'all ain't really with the butter. Oh, I done lost the shit, cause the shit kinda, damn, that shit was good though.
That shit is sober. I fuck her good until that bitch is sober. But you know me, I play it like Red Rover. I smoke a bunch of that Doja. Yeah, that Doja. She lick on the Trojan. All my niggas fuck her crying like Chris Tucker. We be laughing on these bitches like Chris Tucker. Yo, all my niggas, they my niggas.